In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a landing page in Constant Contact. Whether you're looking to capture leads, promote a special offer, or simply engage with your audience, a well-designed landing page can be a powerful tool in your marketing arsenal. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to constantcontact.com. If you haven't already logged into your account, take a moment to enter your credentials to access the dashboard. Constant Contact offers a range of services, but today we're focusing on crafting a landing page that serves your specific needs. Once you're logged in, look towards the top of the dashboard where you'll find the campaign option. Clicking on this will direct you to a page that lists all your active and past campaigns. This is a great way to keep track of what's working and what might need a little tweaking. Next, you need to click on Create a Campaign. This option is usually highlighted and easy to spot. By clicking here, you'll start a new project, giving you the freedom to design something from scratch or use the resources and templates Constant Contact offers. With the campaign creation page open, click on Landing Pages. Constant Contact offers various campaign options, but for today, we're zeroing in on landing pages. These are standalone web pages created specifically for marketing or advertising purposes. They're designed with a single focused objective known as a call to action. Now let's choose a landing page template that best suits your needs. Constant Contact provides a variety of templates tailored to different purposes, such as lead generation, event registration, or product promotion. Feel free to browse through these options and pick one that aligns with your goals. Remember, the template is just a starting point. You can customize it extensively to reflect your brand's identity. You'll notice that you have the option to select either a sign-up landing page or a custom landing page. If your primary aim is to gather email addresses and build your mailing list, the sign-up landing page is an ideal choice. It's pre-configured to make the sign-up process seamless for your visitors. Alternatively, if you have a specific design or function in mind, the custom landing page option allows for greater flexibility. You can tailor each element to suit your specific campaign objectives. Once you've made your decision, dive into the design process. Customize your landing page by adding your logo, changing the color scheme to match your branding, and crafting compelling copy that speaks directly to your audience. Don't forget to include a clear and enticing call to action, as this is crucial for achieving your campaign goals. And there you have it. You've just created a landing page in Constant Contact. Remember, a well-designed landing page not only captures attention, but also drives action. Spend time refining your page until it perfectly represents your brand and objectives. Thanks for following along with this tutorial. With your landing page live, you're now ready to attract and engage your audience more effectively. Happy marketing!